Nikola Tesla was born at midnight on July 10, 1856, during a lightning storm in the small village of Smiljan, in what is now Croatia. His mother Georgina was a brilliant woman who invented household devices, and his father Milutin was a Serbian Orthodox priest. From an early age, Tesla displayed an extraordinary memory and an ability to visualize complex machinery in his mind without needing to sketch them. As a child, Tesla was fascinated by electricity. He once experimented by stroking his cat's fur, watching sparks fly, and wondering if the entire world was filled with invisible energy. He would later say, "I was obsessed by electricity. I wanted to know more of this wonderful force." He studied engineering in Austria and Prague, but never officially graduated. Instead, his mind was already brimming with inventions. But the world wasn't ready for his ideas just yet. In 1882, while walking in a park, he had a sudden vision of the rotating magnetic field discovery that would change the future of electricity. Tesla's brilliance caught the attention of Charles Batchelor, a close associate of Thomas Edison. At Batchelor's recommendation, Tesla traveled to America in 1884 with nothing but 4 cents in his pocket and a letter of introduction to the famous inventor. Thomas Edison, already a celebrated inventor, welcomed Tesla to his lab, promising him $50,000 if he could improve Edison's direct current DC system. Tesla worked tirelessly, redesigning Edison's inefficient motors and generators. But when he asked for his promised payment, Edison laughed, saying, "Tesla, you don't understand American humor." Tesla quit on the spot. Determined to prove himself, Tesla set out on his own, working as a laborer to survive. But soon, his revolutionary idea, alternating current (AC) system, gained the support of industrialist George Westinghouse. Unlike Edison's DC, which required power stations every few miles, Tesla's AC could be transmitted over long distances with minimal energy loss. The battle between Tesla's AC and Edison's DC became known as the War of Currents. Edison launched a smear campaign using fear tactics to discredit Tesla's system. He publicly electrocuted animals with AC to show its supposed dangers and even influenced the creation of the first electric chair using AC power. But Tesla and Westinghouse prevailed when they won the contract to light the 1893 Chicago World's Fair, proving to the world that AC was the future of electricity. Tesla's mind never rested. He envisioned a world powered by limitless wireless energy. His laboratory became a place of wonders where he demonstrated high-voltage electrical experiments that seemed like magic. He invented the Tesla coil, a device capable of producing high-voltage electricity and wireless transmission. He also developed the first remote-controlled boat in 1898, paving the way for modern robotics and wireless communication. Tesla believed energy could be harnessed from the Earth's atmosphere and transmitted freely, eliminating the need for wires. It can drive the world's machinery without the need for coal, oil, or gas. However, his financial backer, J.P. The tower was abandoned, and Tesla's dream of wireless energy remained unrealized. As the 20th century progressed, Tesla found himself overshadowed by more commercially successful inventors. Despite his genius, he lacked business sense and often gave away patents without profiting from them. While Edison and Westinghouse built empires, Tesla struggled financially. He lived in a small hotel room in New York City, feeding pigeons and working on secret projects. Some of his ideas, such as the death ray, a weapon that could destroy entire armies, captured the public's imagination but were never fully realized. Despite financial hardship, Tesla continued to innovate. He predicted wireless communication, artificial intelligence, and even concepts like the smartphone and the internet long before they became realities. In 1931, at the age of 75, Tesla appeared on the cover of Time magazine, finally receiving some recognition. But by then, he was a forgotten genius, living in isolation. On January 7, 1943, Nikola Tesla died alone in his hotel room at the age of 86. He left behind a legacy of over 300 patents and ideas that would shape the modern world. As we look at the world today, filled with the wonders of electricity, wireless communication, and renewable energy, we see the echoes of Tesla's genius. He once said, "The present is theirs. The future, for which I really worked, is mine." And indeed, the future belongs to Nikola Tesla, and a reminder that true genius is often recognized only after its time.